How to use Find My iPhone to track your iOS device. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to use Find My iPhone to track your iOS device. Now let's get started. First we need to open our settings. Then we should tap on our name and surname at the top. In the appearance menu we need to find option Find My and tap on it. Now we see option Find My iPhone at the top and we should tap on it as well. Then just switch option Find My iPhone on. Now you can locate, lock or erase your iOS device remotely. Below we see option Send Last Location. You can also switch this option on. It will automatically send the location of this iPhone to Apple when the battery is critically low. And that's all. It was how to use Find My iPhone to track your iOS device. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.